Hello, so in this video I will demonstrate you the functionality of our module eSign that will help you to send your documents to different signers, and the signers will be able to sign the specific document online. So what you need to do is, like, after installing our module, you will be able to see the same in the apps, that is eSign. Then by opening the module, then going to documents menu, first you need to upload a PDF. So as soon as you will upload the PDF, a template will be created automatically. So for that you need to name the template. So I am naming the template as professional services 2, and I am uploading a PDF over here, an agreement PDF, and then I need to click on the button upload and design. So as soon as I will click on that button, I will be redirected to this PDF. Here you will be able to see the signers option. Like, from here you can add the signers that you want your document to be signed by. So first I will delete the signers. Now by clicking on add, I need to first add the signer role. So like, one sign I need from my customer, then I need to assign one customer, and the customer will be a contact from my Odoo's database. Then authentication, so here we have provided two options, like by email or by unique code via SMS. So it depends upon you, like, do you want to send the document by email or by SMS. Then can delegate, so this is something related to the access. Like, for example, if you are adding two signers, and in one of the signers you are enabling this option, so whenever the document will be sent to this specific signer, it's not compulsory for the signer to sign that document. Like, the signing access right can be passed on to the another signer as well if you have enabled this checkbox. For now I am keeping it compulsory for this signer to sign the document. Then I need to click on save. As soon as I save it, the details will be added over here. Now you can add multiple signer for one document. So the next I am adding a manager, and I'm adding the contact from my Odoo database. And clicking on save, so the two signers are added. Now here you can see some fields, like if you want to add some customized fields in your document, so you can add it. Like, first you need to select the signer over here. Now the customer signer is selected. So if I scroll down and I want the customer sign over here, so what I can do is I can drag the field of the signature and drop it over here in the PDF. So whenever this PDF will be sent to this customer through email, he or she will be able to see this signature box. As you can see in this field, the customer is being assigned over here. Then you can set the alignment of this field from here, and you can save it. If you need center, then you can save it like this. After then, for example, for customer itself you want the name field, so what you can do is you can drag the name field, and for name also you can assign the customer, like it will be automatically assigned because here the customer field is selected, and just you need to click on save. So whenever the PDF will be sent, here the name of this contact in Odoo will be auto fetched, and the customer will be able to see the same. Now for manager, if you want some other field to be displayed in the PDF, so you need to select manager, and then you can drag the field and drop it over here. So here you can see the signature field for the manager will be placed over here, and the manager will be able to see the same whenever he will receive the PDF. After adding the fields, like you have some other fields as well, the radio button or the selection field. Like for manager itself, if you want the selection field to be added somewhere over here, so by adding the selection field you can add the options in it, yes, no, and as it is assigned to manager, you can click on save. So this field will be visible to this user whenever he will receive the PDF through email. So we have added multiple fields over here. After adding the fields according to your requirement, the PDF will be auto saved. What you need to do is you need to click on send to send it through email. Also we have another option like the button share. Like if you are clicking it on share, so this will be the main link, and this link will be shared using any WhatsApp or any other media to the user. And whenever the user will open this link, like I will show it to you, if I'm copying this link and opening it, so it will redirect me to this page. So here the user will enter his full name and email address, and then when he will click on start signing now, so he will be redirected to the document. And if the user is new, like his contact is not created in Odoo, so he will sign it and its contact will be created in Odoo itself. Also here you can enter the date till which date the template is valid to be signed. So the use of share button is this. Then sign now, if you will click on sign now, so it will directly redirect you to the signing portal, and user will be able to sign it from there. And the send button will send the PDF through email. Also here you can see some numbers. So next to this signer we have 2, that means 2 fields are assigned to this user, the signature one and name one. And similarly to this user also we have assigned 2 fields, the signature and one selection field. So after adding the fields accordingly, you can click on send. Once you click on send, you will see this wizard, like you will be able to see the signers that you have added over here. From here also you can enter the date, like till which date this template is valid. This checkbox are provided, for example reminders. So after some time we have scheduled one schedule action, so it will run automatically. And if the signer has not signed the document, so the signer will get a notification through mail that he needs to sign the specific document. Then include audit log. So if you have enabled this, then at the last of the PDF, like whenever the user will sign and download the signed PDF, he will be able to see one extra page apart from the pages in the PDF, which will have the audit of all the signer roles, like who has signed the document and who is still left to sign it. Regarding this option add certificate, so we have set one static e-sign statement which will be added in each of the pages if you have enabled this option. After then you can add the subject to your mail from here, and this field copy to is for adding some more signers or some more contacts of the email in CC. Like if you want apart from this 2 signers, if you want this PDF to be sent to some other signers as well, so you can add from here. Then you can add some notes over here. So after filling all the details, you just need to click on this button send. As soon as you will send the document, you will see this notification like it is successfully sent. Now if you go back and see all documents, so here you will be able to see the document that you have sent. Also in the templates, the template will be created from here. And if you will click on this and click on edit template, so what it will do is it will create a copy of the same template, and then you will be able to edit the same thing. Like the same template won't be edited again because you have sent it already to the signer, but if you want to edit it and send it to some another signer, then you need to click on edit template and it will create a copy of the same template. For example, if you are going back, removing the filter, once you save it, then you will be able to see the copy of this template. Then in this also, in the template itself, we have provided this two button, sign now. So if you click on sign now, it will redirect you to the eSign portal. From there you can sign it. And if you click on send, like if you haven't sent it, so again from here also you can send the document. So this is something that you will be able to see in the template, in the Kanban view and in the list view. In the list view also you will be able to see the button send, sign now and stop sharing. Like if you click on stop sharing, so once you have shared this document to the signers, but as soon as you click on stop sharing, so they won't be able to access the link that they have received through mail, and they won't be able to sign the document. Then regarding this configuration, so here in the configuration we have added tags. So here you can create some new tags, and whenever you are sending the document, at that time you can add the tags to that document from here. Like whichever tag you have created over here, that will be visible over there in the template. And the fields, so whichever fields you want to add, as I showed to you earlier in the video, signature field, name field, that fields you can create from here, and all those fields will be visible over there in your template. Now let's see how you can sign the document by going to the portal. So this is the email that we have sent to two different signers. One was the customer and another was the manager. So if I open this for the customer, so I will be able to see the note that I have added, and this is the specific static template that will be sent along with the document. So this type of email will be received to this customer, and he just needs to click on this button, that is review and sign, which will help him to redirect to this eSign portal. And here you can see, as we have added the signature box over here, so the specific user will be able to see that box over here. And if he clicks on it, so it depends upon the user whether the user wants to type and do the signature, or draw something and do the signature, or the user wants to upload an image of the signature. If the user wants to type it, then the fonts can also be changed from here, and also can change the predefined field from here as well. So it's up to user what he wants to sign. Once the signature is done, the user needs to click adopt and sign. Here, as you can see, the name field was added, so the name from the Odoo database has been fetched over here in the document. After the signature is done, the user needs to click on finalize and sign. Then the user can download the document, and in the document, as the audit log option was enabled while sending the template, you can see the details of the signer, like this first signer has signed the document on this date and this type, and the second signer is still left to sign it. Then the user will be redirected to this page, and from here also he can see the document that he has signed it. Now again, if I go back to emails and open the email that was sent to the manager, so similarly the manager can also click on review and sign over here, adopt and sign. Also, as I added the selection list for the manager, he will be able to see this drop down list. Once done, can click on finalize and sign. Then the user can download it again and see the same PDF with the signature, with both of the signatures, and with the updated audit log like it was signed by both the users. Now again going back, so the same user will be redirected and it can view the document or download the document from here as well. Now if I go to e-sign and documents and all documents, so here I can see like there were two signers and both of them has signed it. The progress was 100%, it's fully signed, and from here also the same document can be downloaded. This is the list view, but if you want to see the form view, so first you need to go to the Kanban view of this document and open it. So you will be able to see the Kanban view as well, where the signer status will be visible, the PDF that you have sent will be visible, the status will be seen. From here also you can add the date and enable this option of adding the audit log. One more thing, like if I go to the template, if I again click on upload PDF and I'm uploading the same PDF again, clicking on upload the file, and I'm uploading this PDF, upload and design. Now as you can see there I have added two signers. Now I'm clicking on send. Just a moment. If I'm again adding the customer, clicking on save, again adding the manager, clicking on save, and then I'm clicking on send. Adding the signature field, then clicking on send. So now I have added two signer over here, but if I want the signing order to be followed, like first it should be signed by customer and then only the manager can sign, so I need to enable this option, that is the signing order, and I can drag and drop and change the order of the signers. So in this case, if the first customer is added and the second one is the manager, so first the mail will be sent to only customer. Once the customer will follow all the process and sign the document, then only the mail will be sent to manager, like the signing order will be followed from here. Also from here you can add multiple documents as well. Clicking on this, you will be able to add more than one document. And from here you can replace the document as well, like if you don't want to add this document, so you can replace it. The last thing, this is the dashboard. So here you can see like total how many requests you have to be signed, like how many are still left to be signed by you, how many you sent it to other users for signing, how many of you are completed with with signing the document. Then you can see the recent activity which you have done. Also, this is something related to green savings, like as we are signing the documents online, so we don't require paper, and because of this so many of paper and many natural resources are reserved. So that data you can see from here, and we have provided the button to download the report, so you can download the report for the same, and you can see like till now you have signed so many documents, and because of that how many papers and how many natural how much of natural resources was reserved. So yeah, this was something related to the functional flow of our module eSign. Thank you.